So how to transfer all data to old iPhone to your new iPhone? For that you need to go your old iPhone, new iPhone, and reset or transfer. But before that, make sure your log into sign out on your Apple account. Make sign out, but don't erase. Press on continue and continue anyway, and press on continue, and you have to enter your current password. Once enter password, then press on continue. Is incorrect, so insert the password properly. Then you can see your Apple ID will be sign out. And now go to your setting, and under setting go to general and press on transfer recent, erase all content, press on continue, erase iPhone, and enter your current passcode, and your phone will be restored. So wait a couple of minutes. Now your phone will be start like that, so be patient. Then you can see your phone is starting like that. Now swipe up, then select your language and select your country as well. Wait a couple of seconds again. Now once done, set as default. Now here you can see your nearby phone is already popping up. Now if you want to transfer from this phone to this phone, then just continue, and if you want to set up to another phone, then just you have to wait. You can see the popping up, and set up without another phone, but I want to transfer this phone to this phone. Press on continue and press on continue and enter your passcode. And once done, then here you can see you just need to scan this code. Now set up for me. Now enter your iPhone passcode here. And once done, setting up your iPhone. Now connect with your Wi-Fi network, and it may take few minutes to active your phone. It's depend on your data size actually. Press on setup later, update later, and press on continue. Setup later, continue, and it's setting up your account. Now here you can see all iCloud data are transferring. Press on agree, press on continue, setup later, okay, setup later, and share with Apple, and don't share. I don't want to share my data. And Apple Intelligent, I want to set up later. Press on continue, and device add to your account. Press on OK. Set up later, continue. Now you have to enter your new Apple ID password, or you can skip this step. Now transferring data to iPhone. from your iPhone 16, and it's depend on your data size. Now it's almost finished. Once transfer complete, now your phone will be a restart, and it's a soft restart. You can see your iPhone is starting. Just enter your passcode, then restore complete, press on continue, and setup later, and setup later, skip, continue, and get start. Now your phone is fully like your old iPhone. Press on OK, continue, continue, and delete SIM or erasing, keep eSIM and erase data, but I want to keep those data for those phone as well. So now all apps will be download one by one, so you have to keep your internet connections. So this is how you can easily transfer data old iPhone to your new iPhone. So don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.